Hi, this is Matthew Lippert with Kimball Midwest, back with another informative video of an amazing product that Kimball Midwest has. Many of you are using air hoses and air tools of different types. We have a push button air coupler. Has a little push button. Push the button, it pops right out. Push it in. Works very, very smoothly. We also have a universal coupler. I go in many shops and they have different types of air hose fittings. Okay? We have a universal fit, American made air coupler. Push it on. You don't have to pull this the release back to push it on. Just push it on. Take it off. Goes on to every one of these three different types of fittings very smoothly, very effectively, without struggle. One of the comments that I've heard as I am in a customer's business showing them this is they're just amazed at not only how easy it goes on and off, but how solid the connection feels. If you don't have a good connection with this, even if you have a universal, but it's not a good fit, a good seal, you're going to have an air leak. You don't want an air leak. Why? If you have an air leak, your compressor is going to come on more. You're going to have premature compressor failure. So you want as tight an air seal as you can have in these, and that's what you get with this Kimball Midwest Universal Air Coupler. As always, if you live in the Kern County, California area, and you are not already a Kimball Midwest customer and have an active Kimball Midwest sales rep, contact me in the contact information in the description below, and I will reach back out to you and I will get you set up as a Kimball Midwest customer, and I will get this into your hands immediately. If you live outside of Kern County, California, and do not have a Kimball Midwest sales rep that services you, then please contact me anyway, and I will find in your area a Kimball Midwest sales rep to take care of your needs. So until next time, may your business be profitable, may your life be great, and buy American, buy Kimball Midwest. Until next time, see you later.